guys, welcome back to my channel. Today tutorial is about the concealer, secret in the universal, secret of our beauty. Concealer is the key, change our look completely different. But there are so many questions. Is easy to apply concealer? In this video, I am giving all the answer in the detail, step by step. So without delay, let's begin. So guys, before I start to makeup, let's talk about the concealer. What's a concealer and what we use for? So first of all, I like to explain about the concealer. A concealer is a type of cosmetic that is used to mask or hide something on your skin, like a black circle eyes, hyperpigmentation, pigmentation, blemishes, dark spots, uneven skin tones, discolorations. So we can use in many ways, not only in black circle eyes, so you can use around your face as well to hide something. Also, we use concealer as a eyeshadow base, and also you use when you clean your eyebrow to give beautiful eyebrow. Also, we use around your lips to give your lip beautiful and sharp lipsticks look, especially when you apply bold lipstick. And also concealer give you bright appearance. So guys, I'm telling you step by step. I'm going to show you how to use concealer, where and how and what products and what tools I'm going to use. Everything I'm going to give you information step by step. So let's begin. So first step, very important to clean your skin. So I'm going to start with my skincare first. So I'm just using mascara water to clean my face. You can use any cleanser to clean your face. Then just clean properly to take out all old makeups and dirt and your dead skin. More clean face, more flawless beauty result. Next, I'm going to use toner. Next, I'm going to apply moisturizing. So moisturizing is very important, no matter what kind of skin types have you got, normal, oily combination. Very important to apply moisturizing. You can apply any kind of moisturizing according to your skin conditions. Next, I'm going to apply primer for long-lasting makeup. So next question is how to reduce your fine lines and wrinkles when you apply concealer. So very important to apply eye cream. So when we apply concealer, sometimes under eyes very dry, especially if you got dry skin, or normally we get very dry under eyes. So when you apply concealer, your concealer looks very dry. So very important to apply eye cream to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and keep your eyes hydrating. So eye cream you can use morning, evening, daytime, any kind of eye cream you can use it. When you apply, leave your skin about 3-4 minutes to absorb all products on your skin, especially before you apply any makeup. Eye cream really helps to hydrating your eyes. Next question is why your concealer look gray? This is a very big question. If you need a correcting any kind of skin condition like a black circle eyes or anything, you need to use corrector before you use any concealer. Without correcting, if you apply directly concealer, your concealer will be look gray or ashy. So if you got really black circle eyes, you need to use orange color corrector. Or if you got less amount of black circle eyes, you need to use peach color corrector. So according to your skin condition, you have to use color corrector. Next, I'm going to apply peach corrector. So you can see I haven't got very black circle eyes or any pigmentation. So I'm going to use peach color corrector, and I'm using very less amount. You don't need to apply too much to cover up. Very less amount. and where I have got uneven skin tone, I'm going to apply there, here, here. Anywhere in your face you can use. Then how to blend out? You can use brush, small brush to blend out, but I'm very happy to blend with my finger. It's blend out very, very nicely when you use finger. And remember that you don't need to use too much product. Otherwise, when you apply your concealer look peachy or orangey, especially when you use orange corrector. So guys, remember always depends your skin types and conditions you are using correcting. Next, I'm going to apply foundation. So foundation only I'm going to use where the cheekbone is around. Then I'm going to leave eye area because we are going to apply concealer, eye area and eyebrow area, and where its nose is and near my mouth, I'm going to use concealer is one of bright effects. Then I'm taking damp beauty sponge, then I'm going to blend out. Next question is how to choose right color concealer. This is a very, very big question. Sometimes it's very hard to find right color concealer, very, very white or can't match, and sometimes end up buy wrong products, wrong color. So guys, choose 2 shades lighter than your foundation. So I have got few colors here. So this is very white or bright color for me. So when I'm applying this one, is look very, very white and not match at all. This is from Morphe. This is very, very thick. When I apply, very, very quick crease coming. This is from Maybelline Stick. This is the liquid and little bit not thick and thin. This is very, very good. And another one I'm using from Maybelline Fit Me. This is the liquid and it has a little bit peachy tone. So this is very, very good concealer. So mostly I'm using 3 of them and I'm bored to use. This is the very light colors. When I apply this one, it look be like a ghost. And depends what kind of products you buying. Sometimes very, very full coverage, thick, and medium coverage is liquidy, little bit medium. If you got really, really black circle eyes or has a little bit purple tone, you have to buy like this little bit peachy or pinky concealer to neutralize your black circle eyes. Usually when you get older, your skin become thinner and wrinkles. This is the naturally we get. So I suggest to use liquid concealer. You can use thick concealer but mix with the moisturizing to make thinner, so your skin will be hydrating. Next question is where you can apply the concealer. So guys, I'm telling you step by step where we can apply the concealer and what effects are. So today I'm going to use from Maybelline Stick liquid concealer. Then I'm taking flat angle brush. Then I'm taking products from the applicator. You can apply directly from applicator, but sometimes very, very thick layer, so I'm always use a small brush. So don't use products all in one. Use little bit product first. It's not necessary to use very, very thick layers. So under eyes and forehead, where you can highlights, near my nose, top of my nose bridge, near my mouth, and where my chin, I can highlight. If I like to give my face very sharp and sharp features. So this is the area usually we apply the concealer. Under eyes, bridge of nose, forehead, chin, near mouth, and where hairlines, to give your face sharp. And if you got any black spots, you can use a small brush and just hide it. If you got dark spots, just apply like this. Next question is what tools we can use for blending and buffing. I say 4. First is your own finger, clean finger. Second is the sponge, beauty sponge, is small one. Third one is a small angle brush. Fourth is the small beauty brush. But they are working very, very differently. So I'm going to explain first about the finger, how to blend out and what effects is. So when you blend out from finger, this is very, very natural look and easiest. Tap very, very smoothly to blend out. Second, I'm going to explain about the small brush when you blend out. So a small brush, when you apply same product, build that amount little bit and give more coverage. Look upward and just tap away. Third, I'm going to explain about the small sponge when you apply. So what it does, build product on your skin and take excess amount product from your skin and give you natural look as well. So just tap in exactly the same upward. Sponge like that. Don't drag down. So if you drag down, you take away products. Very, very important to blend out properly as well till it's smooth and evenly apply. So one more time I'm telling, don't use too much concealer anywhere, thick layer or anything, otherwise your under eyes look more wrinkles, horrible look, thick layers, even you look older and became lines. Next, I'm telling you about the flat brush, how to use. So same concealer I'm going to use in my eyebrow, and I'm going to clean my eyebrow to give very sharp and clean eyebrow look. So use angle brush very, very, very slow. And top of my eyebrow as well. So you can use concealer like that. Then same concealer I'm going to apply top of eyelid to hide my black eyes or veins. Then I'm using same beauty sponge, small one. Then just blend out. Next question is how to make your concealer long lasting. The answer is use any kind of loose translucent powder to set your concealer. This is the answer. But how to do it, I'm going to tell you in right way. So first take a small brush, translucent loose powder, clear powder, not baking powder or pressed powder or anything. Just powder. Before apply the translucent powder, check one more time. You blend out properly, lines come or no, any thickness, to smooth out before apply powder. Otherwise your concealer look horrible, start to crease, look older, empathize that wrinkles. So just smooth out before you apply powder. And make sure concealer is dry. So I'm taking a small brush, then taking loose translucent powder, take out excess product, always dust out, don't need to use extra powder, only need a very less amount, and just tap in gently and smoothly and very light hand. Same process in eyelid. Just use less amount and set your concealer for long lasting makeup, and set up all concealer before you start to crease. For around face, take a little bit big floppy brush and exactly the same, take out excess products, dust out, and just use in T-zone around nose and where you apply the concealer. Next, I'm telling you how to apply around your lips concealer. So I'm using bold color liquid lipstick. So I apply very bold color lipstick, very brown maroon color, and I want to clean around my lips edges here, and I want to give sharp and clean look. I'm going to use a small angle brush using same concealer. Take a little bit amount first, clean these edges slowly and gently. Now I done my eye makeup, so you can see a little messy here. So I need to clean my eyeshadow side here to make clean and sharp look. So I'm using same flat angle brush, then same concealer, then taking concealer, then I'm going to clean my eyeshadow from here. Then I'm going to use my finger to blend out very gently and very carefully. Don't want to ruin this line. So use a concealer like that as well to clean your eyeshadow. Even when you do cut crease, you can use concealer. So guys, I show you many ways how to use concealer and which parts of the face. So I'm doing rest of makeup, then come back. So guys, this is my final look. I've shown you many ways how to use concealer, where, what effects, what benefits, what kind of problems you can hide, bright appearance. So guys, hopefully you liked my video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll bring more exciting videos. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, everyone, take care. Bye bye.